Do you wish to take your text to image creation level to another level, or do you want to create consistent image? Then watch this video till the end. I will show you how you can create consistent image in another environment and in another way, but it has to be consistent. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let's dive into it. You gonna create all these images for free, just in 2 steps. Whether you want to create a Pixar style 3D animated film with AI, a full video, a full film, cinematic trailer, first character based on history and ideas and thoughts. In other words, being our lifestyle, you can tell your story in a consistent character and in different locations, different stories. After this tutorial, you will be able to create a consistent character, 3D, cartoon, anime, even a realistic. So pay close attention until you can be able to learn and start creating. Go to your browser and type in Ronaldo AI and go to launch app. Creating an account on Ronaldo AI is free, completely free, and you will receive 150 or 200 token that you can use and will recharge later if you want, but you can use it to create any image you want to create. So come to text to image. Okay, this is where you're going to type your prompt. You're going to type your idea. There are different models, styles and mode for generating image in Ronaldo AI. It offers flexibility in any area. You can create anything you imagine based on preference. There's no limitation. If you want the character special details to remain the same in all scene, you have to choose the portrait character. Then you come to the adjustment. Okay, come to this area to make some adjustment. On the contrast, select high. Okay, that's high quality. Okay, but as we are using the free mode, you select fast because the high quality is for pay plan. Okay, you choose your aspect ratio. You can choose YouTube aspect ratio. You can choose the TikTok aspect ratio, right? Okay, you select the medium, then select how many you want it to generate once. I just selected 2. This photo realistic, you just off it. Okay, you add the negative prompt, you on it. Negative prompt are the things you do not want to see in your image. You don't want to see cartoon on your image. You can put it tattoo. I don't want to see tattoo. All those negative prompts, that's what it means. Okay, so this is my prompt that I want to use to create an image. It is generating. It does not waste time. Just in few seconds your image will be ready, and the good part of it is that the image will be consistent. I love this image. Let me use this one. So what you do is you download it into your phone or your PC. So to make your image consistent, you don't forget it, because that is the major thing that will make your content stand out. So come to the click on this photo icon you see here. There will be a drop down like this. Click on photo reference and choose that image that you downloaded, that you generated. Just choose it and upload it. Then the prompt that you typed, just be changing anything that you want to change in the current image. For it to be consistent, just change the environment. Did you see? I just changed the background and it still gives me the same result. You can even change the dress. You can change the environment, change the location. Let me change to another location. Okay, that's how you create consistent. Are you seeing it? Coffee shop. In a coffee shop, are you seeing it? Once you go to that prompt and change the environment, the location, you can even ask it to be inside a car and it will do that. Are you seeing him inside coffee shop? Are you seeing it? That this Leonardo AI is generating powerful images. Okay, let me change it again. Then put realistic image. It will still be giving you consistency in the image generation. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Both the eyes, the emotions, everything is the same. It's just that it changed the environment, the location. That is what we want to see, because we want a consistent image. Are you seeing this one? Are you seeing it? Can you see it? It has changed another location, another environment. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. It changed the environment, but the picture, the person, the personality still remains the same. For the animation, we are still using Leonardo AI. Just go to personal field. Once you click on personal field, all the images you have generated, all of them will appear here. So you click on the image you want to use, then click on animate with emotions. Then the emotion windows will open. Using the motion movement option, you can determine the movement you want, the level of movement you want. Just click on create. That is it. In some seconds, you will see your animation created. Okay, remember, you have to do this to all the images you want to use for your video. You have to do all of them, animate them like this. Are you seeing it? Powerful. Wow, so powerful. So after creating them, you animate them, all of them, inside Leonardo AI for free. You are not spending any dime. The next step now, what you have to do is to combine your animated videos, combine all of them step by step according to your story, according to your initiation. Arrange them and put a voice over. You can use your voice, you can use AI voice over. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, because in my next video I'm going to show you the best AI voiceover that you can use. All right, so you come to CapCut and upload all the video, arrange them in order and put voiceover, put background music, and your video will be ready. Voila, you now have a content that you can upload YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Bye. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. See you. Peace out.